Good afternoon. This is the end of the day. I guess it'll be episode 2 of Project Save Big Red. I painted the frame with Por-15. The entire frame. It's taken me all day. I bet I've got 5 hours in this, but it'll never rust again. So now we're all cleaned up, ready to go. Again, did this with Por-15. The only thing I got left is the shock tower hats. I just did them. I need to flip them over in a little bit and paint the bottom side. But other than that, we are painted. Top, bottom, sides, the whole deal. So this is as far as this is gonna go until I get back from my brother Andy's somewhere around the 5th or 6th of February. And then we're gonna take that, put it right there, and then we're just gonna take it apart. So yeah, so just want to give you a quick update. That's what we got. I think we're looking pretty good. I think all we got to do now is just do it. And that's honestly, I don't know. I know it'll be bad. I know it's not going to be the easiest thing we ever did, but at the same time, it is a factory vehicle, and they put them in when they built them in the factory, you know, they went together somewhat quick. So see what happens here. So I'm hoping that I can get this, everything you see red, the body and everything up, and then probably start with probably pull the motor, tranny, and then unbolt the rear suspension. I think I'll start with, get that under here because it's quick and easy. At least get some wheels on the back, and then get all that hooked up, and then undo the front suspension, put it on, drop the motor in. We're going to rebuild the transmission and put a new torque converter on, so that'll be out for a minute. And then we'll put those back in and hook up the drive shaft, all the lines, the fuel system that's in there, gas tank should go in pretty easy, in theory. And we should be rocking. So hopefully, God willing, we're saving. It really is a beautiful truck. I think it's one of the better looking trucks that have been made in the last 20 years. This one just had the look with the sport grille and everything. It just a good looking truck. One of the other things we're going to do, we're going to put LED fog lights in it, and we're going to do aux beam LED new headlight housings and aux beam LEDs. That way we can see. It's got the halogens in them, and you can see they're starting to fade and everything. It's hard to see driving with the halogens. So we're going to do that. That's a cheap upgrade and just needs to happen. So otherwise, that's where we're at. Ron's working on the thing. You guys want to see that? There's Ron. He's doing a little repair over there on that side. This side, we went ahead and all metaled across here and here. So bodywork has started. I think probably tomorrow we're going to take these panels and put the louvers in them and the ribs like this and get them ready. So while I'm gone, I think Rob might get those in too. There's a good chance of that. So otherwise, we're waiting on, I'll show you here, upper and lower ball joints. Once I get those, we'll press them in with the press, and they go here. That's the front of this, the front suspension. And then we'll put our shocks on and leafs in and grease everything and get all that done, and then we'll be moving towards brakes on the front, and then we're looking at wheels and tires. So that'll be exciting. But big news today, Project Big Red frame got disassembled yesterday. New frame got disassembled, and today it got painted with Por-15. So hopefully we just bought this thing another 20 years. So that would be amazing. You guys have a good one, and we'll talk at you soon. I'll have another update here on Big Red, probably 5th or 6th of February. Have a great night.